Understanding, know better, in English. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, know better. It's a handy expression you'll often hear in everyday conversations. And knowing how to use it can add a natural flair to your English. So, let's get started and master the ins and outs of this phrase. Know better means to have the wisdom or knowledge to avoid making a certain mistake or poor decision. It implies that someone has enough experience or intelligence to choose a better course of action. It's often used in a reproachful sense, suggesting that someone should have acted differently based on their past experiences or understanding. Let's look at how know better is used in different contexts. To express disappointment, I can't believe you stayed up all night before the exam. You should know better than that. To indicate expected wisdom, he's been a mechanic for 20 years. He ought to know better than to leave the engine running while working on it. In parenting or teaching, children, you know better than to run in the hallways. This phrase can be modified slightly to fit different situations. Knew better, used in the past tense. She knew better than to take the shortcut through the woods at night. Would know better, to suggest that under different circumstances, better knowledge would be expected. One would think an experienced hiker would know better than to go out without a map. Try creating your own sentences using know better to discuss situations where a better choice could have been made. Practice with friends or in your journal. Remember, the more you use the phrase, the more natural it will become in your English conversations. I hope this explanation helps you know better about using know better. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more phrases that can enrich your English. Until next time, happy learning!